Flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. Please excuse my voice if I sound a little bit hoarse. I went to a game night the other night and I was screaming because games to me are very serious. Okay, so this video is all about brushes versus blenders. Which one do you think does the best work? What leaves you the most flawless look? This side is brushes, this side is sponges. So you're gonna let me know at the end of the video. Please stick around so you could comment and let me know if you're team brush or team blender. Before we get into the video, first I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. You already know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I never could dab, and that probably was the most awful dab in the whole wide world, so don't laugh at me. Anyway, remember to bloom because the flowers just is so blossoming in nature. See you guys in my next one. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, so as I said in the intro, we are going to do makeup brushes versus beauty blenders. All right, I'm gonna ahead and go get right into it. We're gonna of course use my favorite foundation, my Beauty Bakery Cake Mix foundation in the number 13. There's something that I noticed about the two that I never noticed before, is that the brush side looks a little bit more fully covered. Do you ever see that? I feel like I would have to add more product on the sponge side, and I think the reason why is because usually they say that the sponge soaks up product. So because the sponge soaks up product, I think that's probably why I would have to apply more product, and I didn't realize that I was possibly applying more product than I normally would. So we're gonna go right into concealers. Of course, we're gonna use my normal Sister Cosmetics, and we're going to blend that out.
S-Play on the track.
Okay guys, again, the same deal. This one side looks a little bit more soaked up. This side looks a little bit more, I'm getting more airbrush feel from the brushes. Why is that? And I've been using sponges for so long. I used to use brushes, but I've been using sponges for so long now, and now I'm like, what? Okay y'all, so my camera's off, I'm back. So what I did was I went and did like a little one eyeshadow moment real quick, just to put some color on my eyes. Don't really care about how it looks, even though it looks kind of cute. Maybe I'll do an orange neon eyeshadow, one eyeshadow tutorial. If you guys saw my last tutorial, I think it'll be on this side or this side, my one eyeshadow lime green. Check that out, sis. Hit the card, sis. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna dust this off. I put on my powder with a blender. I cannot do powder with a brush. I just don't like it. And I'm brushing everything off with a brush, so both sides get even of both, I guess. Okay, so I look a little crusty. That's okay, because we won't set the face. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette. This is medium to dark. Are you team brushes or are you team blender? blush is actually okay. Blush, giving me a little something to work with.
Playing on the track.
Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera and apply some lip gloss, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look so you guys can decide if you're team makeup brush or if you're team makeup beauty blender. Okay? I'll be back, sis. I'll be back, sis. Alright y'all, I am back with the final look. On my lips is the Appeal holographic lip gloss. Remember, this side is makeup brush, this side is makeup blender. What y'all think? Team A, Team B, sis. I'm not going to say anything. I do have a favorite side, but I want you guys to pick for yourself. So I'm not going to say which side is my favorite. I'm not going to say which side I feel like looks the most. Or if you feel like they look exactly the same and it doesn't really matter what product you use, it's about the technique, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.